when I find myself in trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom.
Ito nakita maraming bakal, nakalakal. Sa linggo wala kang trabaho. Sa unaran,
Let it be. Let it be. Let it be.
Maraming Facebook.
Maraming Facebook?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 bahay. Sinira, dahil bakal. Yung may-ari ang nagtitibag, tapos babayaran mo lang sa
Kung muna kuhanin yung kwan, akdo lang.
babayaran mo lang 10 kilo.
Tukas.
Babayaran mo 10 kilo.